These animals make the strangest sounds you've never heard, especially the last one. Number 1, lion movies make lion roars sound faint and powerful. But a real lion's voice is actually much raspier and way less majestic, totally different from what Hollywood shows. Number 2, eagle. The national bird of the USA sounds epic in movies, but in reality, its call is surprisingly weak and squeaky. That's why filmmakers replace it with a loud hawk scream. You've been fooled for years. Before I reveal the weirdest one, hit like and subscribe. Only real humans can do it. Animals can't. Number 3, cheetah. You expect a fearsome roar, right? Wrong. Cheetahs actually make cute, high-pitched chirps and meows. They sound more like house cats than wild predators.